All right, 2014 Subaru Impreza. We're going to be installing and replacing a blown H11 LED. So we're going to install on the front passenger. So what you're going to do first is there's these two plastic fasteners. You could just remove one, and then this comes out. Yeah, there you go. And if you go behind here, there's the H11 bulb that's blown right here. So what you're gonna do is right here, you disconnect it, like that, and then you just twist the bulb counterclockwise. There you go. This is the blown bulb, no good. And this is the replacement H11. So now we're gonna plug the replacement one in if you guys need it. Link in description. So we're gonna place it back. Here's a new bulb. We're gonna place a new LED H11. So we're gonna place the bulb in here, twist clockwise, and then connect the plug here. Twist the plug. Now we're gonna turn it on. So let's turn it on and see if we're getting the right polarity. There you go. This side already has a working LED. We just replaced the front passenger side for the low beam. There you go. And that's how you install low beam LED light on a 2014 Subaru Impreza. Repeat the same steps for the front driver's side if you have a blown bulb as well. But yeah, that's how you install. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And also don't forget to place back the air intake down and put back the plastic fastener, and you should be good. There you go.
This video is brought to you by Davsky Air Fresheners, the industry's popular and favorite car air fresheners for enthusiasts. Exclusively available at Firm400 pop-up and online at firm400.com. Be sure to check out Davsky online at davsky.com and preview their new air freshener products for 2024.